slippery zones. Yeah, like any other shoe, okay, not slippers.
Hey, come here.
You don't remember these singing when we watched the movie?
That's where I kind of put myself, but I bought like a big old play pack, so like kind of useful. But like really doing that and then doing everything. So I try to do like one new snack at a time I go, and then just eat all of it in the next. Because I feel like if you have more than one, it's like I don't know, a little bit simple.
Oh, muses, help me find a rhyme to Ariel. Just shout it out.
We're no longer in a single file line.
I'm already diving into all but yeah, hopefully
I'm gonna have my next full parties way behind the yellow line for events before the doors.
Thank you.
Right here. Out here. Your time has come. All the way in. All the way forward, men. Step lively for me. All the way down. All the way in. Come here.
You just breathe in God's chamber, and strange, frightening sounds enter through the hall. This deathly silence, when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
make room for the bodies behind you, please. All the way in, all the way across. Do not stop in the middle. I do need the little one also.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this
Make sure we go all the way in, guys. Keep going all the way forward. There's still plenty of space to go in. All the way forward.
Stay.
All the way
Your cadaverous terror betrays an aura of possibility. Almost as though you sense a disquieting hypnosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Estamos a punto de llegar con fantasmitas divertidísimos. Es un niño que gritó.
She's a big miss character.
Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. Spirits are frightfully sensitive to brightness. Our library is well stocked with priceless first edition Haunted Ghosts and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired the Haunted Mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should like to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the day. Find it nice and unbreakable here in this hotel. Every room has wall
serpents and spiders, tail of a rat. Call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rat on a tail, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations are beginning their assembly lines. They're assembling for a sweet place. You'll be expecting interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your Doom Buggy. We will proceed in just a moment. We have been unavoidably detained by brighter spirits. Kindly remain seated in your Doom Buggy. We will continue our tour in just a moment.
In sickness and in we may now kiss goodnight. We live happily ever after. Till death do us part. Here comes the bride. As long as we both shall live.
Attention foolish mortals, please remain seated as rapid in motion immediately.
Start to shriek!
When you hear the thrill of a rippling bell, you first believe your spirit's gone. There's whispers and
They have selected you.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Consider becoming a member for more benefits. You can also show support by buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching.